This does not help.
Most beautiful balloon gun in the world.
Shoot it down. Kitten Fight!
No, wait! I'm allergic to adorableness!
Well, that escalated quickly. Well, hey, Drifloon.
I said no explosive devices.
Not go!
Now, son, don't touch that cactus. You're dead to me.
Oh no, a giant bee!
Balloon Rosalina
Can fly. Huh. I'm gonna put you in the face!
But it's opposite day.
Oh no!
I'm afraid you have 1 year to live.
I'm sorry, but I'm a ghost.
The end.